Beginning there? Go for it. Start from the beginning.
Alrighty, my friends. So, remind me again, what have we been talking about the past few days? Let's try it again. Lexi.
Were you talking about rounding and how to estimate your right answers if you're wrong?
Fancy. Did you guys hear what she said? Who thinks she's right? Give me a thumbs up if you think she's right. Or a thumbs down if you think she's not right. Okay, everybody has a thumbs up. Guess what that means, Lexi? That means you're absolutely right. Amazing. Amazing. So, before we go on to try some new fun stuff, I want to tell you today what we're going to do. I can round. That's what she said. I love it. And she said, or estimate. Numbers to solve. Are you ready? Word problems. Ooh. Who can read that to me again? Benjamin, can you read that to me, my love?
I can round or estimate numbers to solve word problems.
Yes. So we've been doing a lot of rounding already, right? So let's try an example. Let's see. So here's, I'm going to write down, this number. And I might say, Sophia, can you help Miss Rifi round this number to the nearest hundred? What does that mean? Refresh my memory. What does that mean? Rounding this number to the nearest hundred. Can you help me? Can you help me talk this through?
You're gonna underline the highest digit.
The highest digit. So if I said round it to the nearest hundredths, right? The highest digit here is the hundredths, but just be careful with that because sometimes I could say round it to the nearest tens, but here is the highest number here is the hundredth, so amazing. Let's underline it. Okay. What do I do next?
You're gonna circle the one before it.
Here? No, there's no number. I'm so silly. Here?
Yes.
So we're moving which way?
To the left, to the right.
To the right, to the right. Okay. And then you said circle it? Okay. What do I do now?
You're gonna.
So I have the number, what's this number? 4, right? Well, what am I looking for now? Let's see. What am I looking for now? So I moved over to the right, right? Because I'm looking for the hundreds place. I moved over to the right. And now I'm looking for what? Can we get some friends to help us too? Is that okay? Excellent, Sophia. Thank you for getting me to this point. I love it. Lexi?
So you're gonna take the 4 and you're gonna see if it's big enough to push the 7 up to get to the nearest hundred.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you say that one more time?
So you're gonna see if you could push the 4 up to the nearest hundred so it could become the nearest hundred. Or if it's 4 and less, it goes down. But if it's 5 and up, it goes up to the nearest hundred.
So if it's 5 and up, so once I underline the place that I'm looking for, so I'm looking for the hundreds place. Once I underline that, to the right, to the right. Do you guys know that song? To the right, to the right. So once I underline the number I'm looking for, I look to the right, circle my number, and Lexi said if it's greater than 4, so if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, what do I do?
You're gonna make it at 8.
So I make this number an 8. So this number goes up if the next number is greater than 9. Okay, so now what?
So now if it's 4 and less, you take the number down to 7.
Okay. So this number is not greater than 5, right? So it's less than 5, so it's 4. So should I use this number or this number, Lexi?
7.
7. Now what? That's it. Am I done? Let's get some friends to help us. Lexi, amazing job. Brendan.
You're gonna have to, since it's lower, you're gonna have to make it 700.
Oh, 700. So I should really take this number away?
Yes. Because if you're trying to do an answer with that, it will be somewhere near that number.
Ooh. Actually, no. Somewhere near that number. So I have a special word that I wanted to. Should I do like a whole whoop? What is this word?
About.
Let me see. Francesca. No, I'm sorry, Victoria.
About.
About. Or, Brandon, can you hold this up for me? Wait, let me do it the same way. Whoop. What's this word? Amina.
Estimate.
I'm sorry, my love, I can't hear you. A little bit louder.
Estimate.
Can't hear you.
Say it loud and proud.
Estimate.
Oh, I love it. Estimate. Who wants to hold this up for me? Amina, do you want to hold it up since you said it? Here you go. So these are my two favorite words when I am rounding. Oh, look at, you're almost as tall as me. So these are my two favorite words when we're rounding. About and estimate. Now, when we solve these word problems later, open your ears really well when I read the problems out loud. And if you hear me saying these two words, that means I don't want you to actually add the numbers. This will give me an exact number. I don't want the exact number, right? I want the number that's about that answer. Or I would like an estimate of what you think the answer is going to be. Thank you, my lovely, lovely helpers. Thank you. All right, so are you guys ready to solve a problem? Are you guys listening? All right, so I am not going to write it down on the board yet. I want to see who has their eyes and ears on me. Give me a thumb. No, tap your head if you have your eyes and ears on me. Oh, he has his eyes and ears on me. Does anybody not have their eyes and ears on me? No. Everybody has their head tapped. Amazing. All right. Listen, ready? There are about, what did I say? There are about 310 passengers. So in my head I have 310. There are about 310 passengers in each car of the city train. So for the first one, I'll just write it down. 310. Oh, my markers are being silly today. 310. The first car has 310. As there are, he's raising his hand. You ready to answer? Oh. As there are 8 cars for each train, there are about blank passengers on each train. So let's see. There are 310 on each train, right? You guys like my train? You guys are just way too nice. You guys are too nice. That's my train. Oops. How many train cars are there? Who remembers? Mars? 8. Oh, I don't have 8 here actually. Let me make 8. I love my visuals, but my drawing is that a good train? David, what do you think? Is that a good train? Oh, I got a thumbs up. I love it. So for each train, there are about 310. There's trains all day long. There's so many people on them, but we're going to do a rough estimate, about 310 on each one. So how many people or passengers do you think is on my whole train? How can I solve this? Walk me through. I love the super raised hand like that. I love it, I love it, I love it. Phineas. Multiply. What am I multiplying? Help me out.
310 by 8.
Okay. Excellent. Good choice. Excellent. Very good. So I multiply. He's right. Did any anybody hear Miss Rifi say the magic word that I just love so much when I'm doing rounding? Your hand raised really up high, my love.
About.
What is it?
About.
About. So if I was looking for the exact answer for this, you are exactly right. And you're still right about the fact that we have to multiply. But if I have 310 and I heard this word, about, what do I have to do? Do I have to use this number or do I have to round? Phineas? Rounding. So who can help me out? Actually, let's just wait for 1 second. Let's pause and think for 1 second. Hands down for 1 second. I love the excited hands that jump out of their seat, but 1 second. Let's just think. I want to give everybody a chance to think about what my number would be. What am I rounding 310 to solve this word problem? Are we all thinking? All right. So, who thinks that they want to tell me? Sophia.
300.
What did you say?
300.
300. Give me a thumbs up or if you think she's right or a thumbs down. You want to tell me a different answer. What do you think, buddy? Lawrence. I see a thumbs up. Brandon? Thumbs up. Benjamin? Thumbs up. Everybody else thinks a thumbs up too? Wow, there's not one person that has a thumbs down. So guess what, Sophia? You are right. So now, we have number 300. Let's go back to Phineas. Phineas, what did you say to do, my friend?
Multiply it by 8.
I multiply this by 8. Okay. What's my answer? Josiah. How do I multiply 300 times 8? Well, I see 2 zeros at the end. So what should I do with those 2 zeros? Bring them down. You're the next customer on The Price is Right. Customer? Yeah, I guess so. On The Price is Right. Now what? What do I do next? What's 8 times 3? Can we all shout it together? I want everybody to shout out on the count to 3 what 8 times 3 is. 1, 2, 3.
24.
24. I love it. Josiah, I want you to say 2,400 for me. 2,400. So, if the question says there are about 310 people in each train cart, and there are 8 train carts, about how many people are on the whole train? What's my answer? Brandon?
2,400.
Ooh, 2,400. My friends, you got it? All right, who wants a challenge? All right, oh, you all want challenges. Okay, fine. So, I'm going to read another one, but guess what? I'm not going to write anything down on the board. This one's going to see who's really listening. You ready? Okay. Oh, he said he's ready. I love it. Tapping the head, tell me he's ready. All right, here we go. I'm going to read it nice and slow, out loud. Let's see. Are you ready, my friends? Okay. Who's ready? Everybody's ready. Awesome. Mary found 61 seashells on the beach. Mary found 61 seashells on the beach. She gave Miss Rifi 33 of the seashells. Okay, so Mary found 61 seashells and she gave Miss Rifi 33. How many seashells does she have now? If she had 61, she gave me 33. About how many seashells does she have now? Hmm. Ooh, I really have to think a little bit now. Where is Miss Rifi's marker? Oh, there it is. Thank you, Brandon. Best. You know Miss Rifi likes to think for a second, so that's why I want everybody to think too. I'm giving everybody a chance to think. Mary had 61 seashells. She gave Miss Rifi 33 because it helps me think about the beach. So she gave me 33. About how many does she have left? Look at that hand that's raised so high up. Lori!
30.
I'm sorry, my love?
30.
30. 30 what? What's 30? So I just need a little bit of help because Miss Rifi likes to really understand what's going on. Did she give 30 to me? Does she have 30 left? Remember, it's really amazing, and it helps the person if you give them a little bit more detail. So you could say Mary has 30 left, or did she give Miss Rifi 30? What is it, my love?
She has 30 left.
Mary has 30 left. Give me a thumbs up if you agree and a thumbs down if you don't agree. So I'm looking around the classroom and I see some friends have thumbs down and some friends have thumbs up. Let's walk this through. Miss Rifi needs to walk it through also. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, no, that's fine. Thanks, Miss. Let's see. So how many did Mary did Mary have? How many did she have? Francesca? 61. So Mary had 61 seashells. How many did she give me? How many did she give me? Benjamin?
30.
She gave me 30. Oh, 33. Ooh, I love how you fixed it on your own. Okay. So she had 33. She gave Miss Rifi. Did she have 33? No one's correcting me. I said 33. She had 61, right? Teachers always make mistakes, and you guys have to help us because we need your help. And look how focused you are. And she gave 33 to Miss Rifi. I love it. Brandon's like, there you go, Miss Rifi. Go ahead, Brandon, show it. About how many did she have left? About how many did she have left? So, let's round 61. How do we round 61? Who knows? Brandon is going to fall off his seat. Let's see. With the lovely red mask on.
Me?
Yes, my love, you're the only one with the red mask. Say it again. 60. Excellent. He underlined the 6. That's the highest number. Okay. And he moved to the what? Where did he move?
To the right.
To the right. To the right. Good. And what's that number?
Me?
Josiah, what's this number, love? 1. So is it less than 5? So do we make 6, 7? Nope, we stay at 60. Excellent. Let's see this number now. Bunnies. How do I round this number, love?
You figure out the one place if it stays, one if it goes.
Exactly. So let's underline this 3. Which way do I move, bunnies?
Right.
To the right, to the right. Good. Now this number.
It's less than 5, so it stays as 30.
Woohoo! Fancy! So now I have my 2 numbers that I rounded up, 60 and 30. And then the question says, about how many does she have left? So what do I have to do now? Do I still have to multiply like the other problem? What do I have to do now? Raymond.
Subtract.
Subtract. What is my answer now? Sophia.
3. 30.
Excellent. 30. So, to my friends that said thumbs up for 30, are you right? Yes. She has about 30 because she gave me about 30. She had about 60, so she has about 30 left. Excellent. Now, to my friends that said thumbs up, are we good? Does anybody have any questions? Or said thumbs down, I mean. Does anybody have a question? Yes, Phineas.
But Lori said she has 30, not she has about.
I'm sorry, my love. Say it again, because sometimes these masks, the voice comes out a little bit lower, so I'm going to come all the way to you so I can hear
Lori
it.
said she has 30, not she has about 30.
Okay, you're absolutely right. You're right. She can say she has about 30, but she was trying to tell me, Miss Rifi, that her answer was 30. That she thought it through in her head and she got 30 has the answer. Don't forget also when I asked the class about how many seashells does she have left. When I asked you that way, when I said about how many does she have left, I know that the answer you give me hopefully will be the about answer. Does that make sense, Phineas? Now, if I didn't say in my question, so in my question, if I didn't say about how many does she have left, then you can do it, you could find the exact answer, right? You can go like this, 61 minus 33. Let me ask you a question though. Why would somebody choose to do the about as opposed to this? Why do some people do about? Like, let's say I'm shopping in the store and I choose to do this way. Why? Why would I choose to do the about way instead of finding the exact? Francesca?
Because it's easier and it takes less time.
I'm sorry, honey. Say it again.
Because it's easier and it takes less time.
Did everybody hear what she said? Can you say it a little bit louder because that was a spot-on answer. Say it a little louder.
It's easier and it takes less time.
Exactly. So, Phineas, it's easier and it takes less time. So if I'm at the store and I know my recipe needs like 61, I'm going to be silly, 61 eggs, right? And I only have 33. Well, I know I'm going to just grab 30 more eggs or grab 32, like just grab a little bit extra. I don't have to have the exact number. Because for some people, this might take longer to do than estimation. So excellent, Francesca. Great answer. All right, my friends. So now I want you to take out your textbook because we're going to do a little bit of work on our own while Miss Rifi walks around and sees. We're going to turn to page 42. Da, 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 da. Take out your Math and Focus textbook, my friends. And turn to page 42. Eyes on me once you're ready. Eyes on me once you have your book in front of you and turn to page 42. Excellent, Benjamin. Excellent, excellent. Messiah, excellent. Excellent, Lexi. Excellent, excellent, all my friends. Are your eyes on me? Yes, they are. He's ready. Awesome. Donovan, are you okay, sweetie? 42, right? Excellent. All right, Lori, are your eyes on me, my love? Great. All right, so what I want you to do, take out your whiteboards as well, because I want you to answer the first question, number 16, on your own. I don't want you to talk to a friend about it. I want you to work on your own first to answer number 16. Once you are done answering 16, you can talk to your partner about the question. So, two talk to each other, correct? You know who your partners are. Brandon, I will let you talk to Josiah once you're done, okay? You guys can talk. And Mars and Benjamin, you guys are already on a roll. Go ahead. And you two are partners, excellent. Go ahead on number 16. The table shows the number of dogs that were adopted in a state within a year. Now, one thing that you must do, though, that we talked about so many times, when you read the problem, do not read it once. I want you to read it twice before you start. I see a lot of my friends starting, that's great. But I want you to read the problem twice. Because sometimes, even Miss Rifi, when I read something once, I might miss something. Like I miss a detail or I miss a special or a special word. Remember, this one word, if I miss it, I won't get the right answer. So let's read it twice and then go ahead and start. Excellent. Oh, I love the words. Good job. Exactly. So, what are we going to do? Amazing. So write that down. 1,000. And then go on to the next one and the third one. How are we doing, Lexi? Excellent, my job. I love how we are working very hard and focusing. I love it. I'm walking around. I see, yes, honey. Oh, your marker does not work. That's an easy fix. I'll get you another one. You could use mine.
No, can't.
Yeah. Okay. You are so right, Miss Greenfield. All right, now don't forget to talk, once you are done, to talk to your partner about what you did. And after you're done talking to your partner, I will ask a friend to share with us how they solved the answer.